Wakey, what a super early morning right now. 4:45, about to go meet up with my boy Jason, who was borrowing my boat for quite a bit of time, maybe around a good 5 weeks or so. And he's returning right now, and I miss my Titan. And what's gonna happen after that is my boy Max, one of my old fishing buddies who I sold my Titan to, he's giving me the opportunity to sell my old boat to someone else that I know, and he's giving it for a killer price. They're all meeting up right now within the next 5 minutes or so. But yeah, we're setting that up. When my boy brings over my old boat, we're gonna inspect it. I'm pretty sure it's in immaculate condition. And we're gonna hand it over to my boy Jason, who's gonna be a new owner of a native Titan.
Why is it fucking wet?
The fish don't care. They wet anyways, right?
I wasn't prepared for rain.
Man, it ain't gonna rain that much.
Standing up.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a trolling motor.
Oh shit. Dude, my dog got sprayed last night, dude.
Sprayed?
By a skunk. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, I got 2 people meeting us at the route today. What's up, Max? I hope you don't have to wake up for too early. What's up, brother?
How are you?
It's been a good time. Jay, Max. Yeah, we started fishing together.
Like, fucking long time ago.
Yeah, even like before, like, first got my old kayak. Was it like a tamarack?
Yeah, your first life,
Yeah, so shoot, let's take it down and he can see it in the light. Yeah, pretty stoked that you got it all fully rigged for him.
It's
Wait, this was your old one, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, he sold it to me and then I fished it.
Nice.
I sold it for a good ass deal, and now you're giving it back a good ass deal to somebody else.
Yeah,
With even more shit on it.
That's what I wanted.
Oh my gosh. Well, you said you wanted to try out a native, right? So.
I just can't swing the money for a boat.
Right?
Yeah, it's all ones up, you know.
Yeah, it's all brown.
Yeah.
Overcast, warm. It's gonna be a good day. All right, got my motor back. There you go.
So how do you guys do this? You guys just go to one spot together? Or do you guys...
No, not really. We just go out there. Yeah, but you guys want to have a little shootout or just?
Yeah, I don't know.
You got your board with you?
Yeah, I do.
All right, so let's meet with everybody over there.
Okay.
You got a big speed, don't you?
Yeah.
Let's figure out a format. All right, so we got Aaron over here. We got Matt, newcomer. We got Jay on the new boat. And what's your boy's name over there? Andrew, come on over here. We all got a board over here. We're gonna have a little shootout. 4 fish limit at 12 o'clock. We'll meet back over here at 12. What, you guys want to put money on it, or we'll just get bragging rights? Oh, bragging rights. Yeah. Unless you want to put $5 on it, at least.
Yeah, all right.
$5? $5? $5? All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 fishes. Deadline's at 12. The identifier is going to be this. All right, we got that as an identifier. So when you score the fish, make sure you have this on as the identifier. Okay. Throw up the number 3, like, you know, Warriors live by 3, by the 3. All right, we gotta go. All right, let's go. Ooh, they're active right here. Oh my gosh, it's supposed to rain till 9. I went back to the car to get my jacket. Oh, look at that. So let's try to get them. Aaron's on one. Yep. Try. We caught. We got one. Damn. Oh, you did. That's your third one you lost. Small pounder. I'm gonna get out of your space. Hey. Again. Rain in June. And Jay got a jacket. Damn, this is pretty hard. You right there, Jay? Oh my gosh. On June. Here we go. Nah. There we go. And the weather report said it was supposed to be drizzling, not pouring. It was supposed to be 30%, 40%. On it. Look how scored anyways. As long as it's 12 inches. Damn, it is pouring. Oh. There you go. Yeah. Ooh. That's a better one. Oh, there's two of them. Oh. No, it was two of them. Look at those smally. Yee. Rain will stop in 47 minutes. There you go. Oh, is this another 12-incher? Yeah. 12 inches. Look at that. Got so much water in my boat. It's swimming in my boat. Woo. I am soaked. Oh, dang it. Just lost it. That was a good bait too. $30 more minutes. No more rain. Got a keeper yet? All right, switch it up. Switch it up. Back to the jerk bait. Dude, I am soaked. Finally, the rain stopped. Finally concentrate on fishing instead of getting wet. You weren't getting nothing out there? No more, Aaron?
There's only 11.
All right. We're moving. We're gonna go around there. He's gonna pull you. I need to get my my towing rope set up. All right, mothership in 101. Break. All right, here we go. Oh, there we go. Yes. Yes, sir. All right. This is my third one. We're doing 4 fish limit. Okay, 15. All right. Thanks for letting me catch you. How big? 11. Dang, everybody's catching 11s, huh?
You gotta get 12, right?
Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the score tracker for the guys at Kayak Bass Nation. Trent Hoover at first, John Myers at second, and Garrett at third. Guys are at it. It looks like more than 2/3 of the field is skunking right now. You know how it goes, these guys are sandbagging. All right, let's hope I don't burn down my boat down. You want a cup of noodle? Yeah, he's coming over here. He got a motor. Recharge. Nothing beats a warm meal on the water, especially when it's cold and it's raining. No breakfast. Oh yeah. I haven't got any more fish, but we got more food for you. Yup. Using the LV 500. That one bait ball, there was a lot of streamers underneath it. There's fish underneath the bait balls. That's what I'm trying to get.
I want to bring that shit so we can grill on the beach.
There you go. Yeah, got it. Yeah. I knew I was gonna get it. Oh, bitch! Fuck. Oh. That's what I hate about these LVs. They get stuck and hung up with the hooks. Woo, it's getting cold, huh? Shit's heavy. Just pull up to the side. Damn, it was one of the wettest days ever. Boy, what a wet one today. Forecast said it was gonna drizzle, so we didn't really. Ooh, there's a cop. What a wet one today. The forecast said it was gonna be drizzling today, but that wasn't a drizzle, wasn't it? Man, I'm completely wet. I didn't have no rain gear, no nothing. My boy Jay had nothing. He was just wet the whole time. Aaron had half a rain suit, and I don't know about the other guys that we met out there. It was just pouring, but it was fun. It was some work. And as far as the shootout, everybody owed me $5, but I just let them keep the money. Ready to get home. Got my time back. Got my motor back. Got my workspace back. That's what I love about the time. So much stuff. Okay, oh shit. Yeah, but ready to go home. Got the daddy doing things, man. I gotta deal with my dog. My dog got sprayed last night by a skunk, and poor Mochi. She was wheezing and everything. She came in the house like shrieking, like what the heck, and just stank. And she was foaming in her mouth and everything, and it was like I took her back outside, and when I took her back outside, she was just rubbing her face all over the grass. Look at this video right here. And oh my gosh, stank so bad. I did the neutralizing solution to spray it on her face and did as much as I can to wash her off, but I gotta go take her to the pet wash so I can get her washed up. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my little wet adventure today. It's time to go home and get with the family.